Have you ever wondered how crucial user feedback is in the world of product development? Well, let's take a moment to truly appreciate its significance. User feedback, my friends, is the heart and soul of product evolution. It's the cornerstone that guides changes and improvements, shaping products to better serve their users. Imagine a goldmine brimming with invaluable insights and novel ideas. That's what user feedback represents in the realm of product development. It's a treasure trove that reveals what users love, what they loathe, and what they absolutely long for. Every suggestion, every critique, every wish expressed by users can spark innovation, driving a product to new heights of excellence. By listening to users, we can create products that not only meet their needs, but also exceed their expectations. Products that they didn't even know they wanted until they had them. Indeed, user feedback plays a pivotal role in shaping a product, but how can we make sense of all this feedback? This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, steps in to revolutionize the way we analyze user feedback. Imagine a world where understanding complex user feedback is as simple as clicking a button. That's the power of artificial intelligence. But how does it work? Well, AI employs several techniques like natural language processing, or NLP, and machine learning, or ML, to analyze textual user feedback. NLP is like the brain's language center, but for machines. It helps computers understand, interpret, and generate human language. When we feed user feedback into an AI system powered by NLP, it reads, comprehends, and then breaks down the feedback into understandable chunks. Whether it's a rave review or a critical comment, NLP can discern the meaning behind the words. Meanwhile, machine learning is like the brain's pattern recognition center. It allows AI to learn from past experiences, or in this case, past feedback. With ML, AI can identify recurring trends, patterns, and themes in the feedback, uncovering insights that might have been missed by human analysis.